Alright, here we go. I got this weird noise in the engine here. I just got done doing the intake gasket. And it did not make this lifter. I'm assuming it's a lifter tick. It did not make this noise before I did the job. I didn't even touch the lifters, didn't touch nothing, no debris in there. I cleaned it all out. Any idea what the hell is that even a lifter tick? And it won't idle. Take your foot off the gas pedal, it just stalls straight up. I'm thinking that's a vacuum leak. But no, it's weird. I've never seen anything like this. Before the thing ran fine, just had a water leak. Now it started up, it's got a loud tick. Kind of like it's coming from this side where cylinder 6 is, which tells me I got to pull the valve cover off and everything. But I was just hoping maybe someone might know. Alright, bye.